Hey guys, what's up? So we have a mail call from Tommy G. Let's get in the box and see what we have. Oh, there you guys are. Oh snap! We have a super whoop. I give this to Thomas. We had a problem with the receiver, so he sent her back. So I got to get her right. See what's going on with her. We'll take care of that. No worries. What we have here? Oh my God! A Tyro69. No, there's two. So guys, I reached out to Thomas, reminding him about this little guy. I want to bring this thing back to light. Let's go ahead and get that over there. Sorry. I'm on my session 5. I traded my Hero 9 in, so we don't have that for a while. So I mentioned this to Thomas. He went ahead and picked one up, and he was like, well, man, you're going to build me one, and I'll have to send you one in to build as well. So this is awesome, guys. We're going to be building a Tyro69 for Tommy G. Tater, you guys know him. So let's go ahead and get this thing cut open. I told him, you know, he left everything sealed. He's come to his house and he sent it to mine. So everything's sealed. He didn't get to look in the box. So let's give Thomas a look of what's in the box. So this is going to be an unboxing of it, of the Tyro69 toothpick. You guys know the rules are changing, so the toothpicks are going to get popular again. So right out the gate, you're greeted with multiple sets of props. I always thought that was cool. LDARC. Yeah, a pack of left and a pack of right. Counter and clock. 65 millimeters. Good. They come in real handy when you have all those props. So then you greet it with the frame. Little toothpick frame. This thing's pretty well built. I had quite a few of them on my channel that I've did already. So then we have the motors. All 4 little motors there and a nice static proof packaging. We're going to have the camera, again, in the static proof bag. This is our TPU mount that they went ahead and printed for us. Really, really nice that they include that for you. Let's kind of get some more room here. Battery straps that they send into you. This is going to be your ESC. It's a 20 by 20, I believe. Might be 16. Yeah, it's 20 by 20. 16 by 16 be a lot smaller. So there's your ESC. Bag full of goodies. XT30 capacitor. Some harness cables. Everything's pretty much plug and play on this, all but soldering the wires to your ESC. Package of screws. We have a VTX. Again, in a static proof bag. Really nice. I've built just about 3 or 4 of these already. There's going to be our flight controller. So yeah, everything's pretty much plug and play on this guy. We got some screws here for the camera and stuff. So everything is pretty much plug and play on this guy. And like I said, you just solder your motors on. So we're going to go ahead and build this for Tommy G, guys. Thomas has come to the dark side. He's got quite a few rigs now. And he's really enjoying the whoops, you know, the smaller ones, because he flies inside a lot now. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this built for him and get him a toothpick up there. And he sent this in to me, like I suggested this, and then he just went ahead and he's like, man, if you're going to build me one, dude, I have to buy you one to build too. So Thomas, this is really, really cool, man. Really appreciate you. Like, that's awesome. Like, I'd have no problem building this for you, and I know you know that, so thank you, man. I really appreciate it. So it looks like I have a couple of toothpicks to get built here, guys, and we'll go ahead and definitely film one of them and let you see, because I have it on my channel where I built this before, but this is different. So I want to definitely film this for building taters, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do a video for it. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned to the channel, because we have 2 Tyro toothpicks we're building. I built Chuck one last week. That's not a Tyro69, that's the FPV cycle one. That's got a lot of stuff going on with that thing, you know, as far as component wise. A lot of good stuff in there. So These guys are just your average, I'm wanting to say $69. I think they're roughly running closer to 70-ish something now, but these are very, very, very worth the money. I know you have to deal with bang goods to get them. I'm sorry for having you to have to do that, but they're well worth it. For the rules change to sub 250, you can still go out your local parks, your anywheres, and have at these guys and have yourself a good time. So, until then, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned to the channel, and we're going to get these built.